for number 11. Number 11, I didn't get it, sir, because it
Number
said we can Parkin's hypothesis.
Yeah, that is right. What means to see we can, number
Yeah.
one, find the hypothesis and make it opposite. He said,
Yeah.
hypothesized active underwater volcanoes due to their high heat flux could stimulate phytoplankton growth. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And that makes it, stimulating, make it more, enriching the marine ecosystem, as you know.
Yeah.
Then he said, due to high heat flux, we need something opposite. If it's stimulating the growth, that is means must be high. And
Yeah.
if it's high, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now find in the answer something opposite because he said weaken. And it's not the same around, by the way. How it's not the same in the graph? So not.
Yeah.
Then he said population around inactive volcanoes decreases. There is no decrease. But look for the content. Phytoplankton population around active volcanoes is lower than. How lower? Must be more because it's stimulating. That's why we need something opposite. So we can find something opposite to what is mentioned. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it lower and active? Looking for the active?
Hmm?
Lower or is increasing? It's increasing.
Appearances, yeah.
Look again. Then that around inactive. So inactive it means there is no heat. It must be lower. It must be lower. But here it's increasing
Yeah.
because it's lower. So lower means that the inactive is higher. But how an inactive and higher? It's less than the higher. Look difference. Look difference. This
Yeah.
opposite to what is hypothesis. So when you find the word weaken or undermine, you expect the opposite of the hypothesis. As a test maker, most common use the word weaken to help you.
Yeah.
But be careful about underscore. It's opposite to undermine. Do you feel it? Yeah. So focus on the word under only. Here, opposite. So be careful. And that's fine.
Mhm. Yes, sir. Okay. D, sir.
You want to make it letter D? No.
Oh. Hmm.
Let's find the assertion. Where is the assertion?
Hmm.
Is it? Let me help.
Yes, sir.
He mentioned here, say proposed. The cognitive decline supported, stimulated by hypoxia can be mitigated, can be lessened, can be little through specialized training exercises with the most significant improvements which could be seen in spatial awareness. They argue the brain's spatial processing mechanisms are more resilient. Resilient could be vulnerable to hypoxic conditions and they can be therefore recover more rapidly with appropriating training. We need something to support it. Look for letter B. The difference between the average scores, the difference, not the average score, under normal and conditions for special is the least among all the tests. So that means it could be more rapidly, to be appropriate, but more
Yes, sir.
resilient or not, it's least. That means we can reduce it, could be mitigated. To mitigate it could be reduced. Here it could be reduced. So the difference is the least. And the least here, it means it could be reduced. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So here about the difference. So what is the least one about this is one? And it's talking about the awareness exactly. Feel it? Because he said here cognitive, talk about the awareness. So special awareness, as he mentioned. That's why. Yeah, but so the
Yes, sir.
problem with the word mitigated could be reduced to be little. It is the word lesson, lesson for less en verb. That's why. But for letter D, you make it, you said it's a greater. How greater and how support mitigated? Because you found something opposite. So always find the assertion and something to prove it, right? You found a good answer, but you weakened. To weaken the assertion, not to support it. That's why.
Yes, sir.
Let's try again.
Hmm.
Delete consequently.
D for 13.
And the certainty D, brilliant.
B? Oh yeah, D. D for 14.
Letter D again.
Yeah.
So you love letter D. Okay, correct. Ah, punctuation that you hate.
Hmm. It's B.
Letter B, final decision.
Final, official.
Or letter A.
No, sir.
Ah, I told you you hate punctuation. Let's see from the beginning. In preposition phrase, film character the name, discovered that the long post silent film, and then the name of the film. Here, this is the name. This is the proper. Don't read punctuation. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
B is wrong. Okay. Now the diplomatic Henry, and this is non-essential, comma, look, a positive phrase to describe it. What is a significant find, which is given the library? So a positive phrase to describe the film. Significant find given the Library of Congress. Estimates only. So after the comma, a positive phrase to describe what is diplomatic Henry. So you need comma in this part. So memorize it like that. Complete sentence, comma, phrase. Here it's a positive phrase to modify something before you need comma.
Yeah.
But wait, we don't have comma here, so it's wrong. Here we have comma, correct, but we don't need this part. Why? Because how to make the date non-essential. It's related to the name of the, we cannot delete it because the date of the film important. So this is comma unnecessary.
Yeah.
If this is correct.
Okay. Has revealed.
Which letter do you like?
I like it. B.
Letter B. Let me help you because you take a lot of time in this question. First off, don't use the hack. Plural, 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 delete, so it's singular. But follow the ways. To know the subject and the verb easily and quickly, as I told you, delete the phrases, delete the relative clauses, delete the non-essential. Now over preposition phrase, delete, preposition phrase, delete, delete. Look. Now present participle phrase, delete, subject. And look, non-essential information. So again, after that, ask yourself who or what is going to reveal. Study. To study subject singular, so you need singular verb, subject verb agreement. Catch it?
Yeah.
This can help you. Let me tell you something very important. Here again, the research suggests research singular. But look, plastic debris. Debris here, single or plural? Singular, because the verb is singular. Debris causes and increases.
Yeah.
So debris, it has is, okay, but it's a singular. It's used as singular, but it can be plural. But here is as singular because we're talking about the amount of the debris. So subject verb agreement, it's not easy chapter, but sometimes we use the style of writing. Try again.
A for this one.
17A, good hunt.
Yeah. For 18, it's D.
18, letter D, it's correct.
Right. Is a good way. A.
Yeah, we have a trap here. It's a gerund subject.
Oh wait, sir. There's a trap.
Yes, gerund. Sometimes you don't focus on the gerund, you focus on the noun.
Illuminating fishing nets with green light with green LED lights.
Yes, if you delete the preposition phrase, you will find your subject here. But the problem
What's
is the gerund subject. And don't follow the hack, plural, 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 but find the subject. So
what is correct?
the gerund always singular. Gerund always singular.
So it's correct A, right? So
Yeah, it's correct.
oh, okay. C for 20.
20, letter C. Yes.
Okay. In fact, A.
So 21, it's letter A. Yes.
A.
Letter A. Yes. Good professor.
So D for 23. D.
23, letter D.
Yes.
Why not to be C? Remember
Mm,
implications.
mm.
So where are the implications? Is the impact of rising, but emphasize implications on a global scale. Where is it in the text? He said here resulting in implication, frequent flooding and damage to coral reefs. Is that mentioned?
No, sir.
Yeah, he said, look, stark warning, stark news series,
Oh,
potential impact on climate change. You see,
yes, sir.
lying coaster around. So implications, as you know, are conclusion resulting. But wait, and he said here serve as a stark yes warning. It's correct. People solve the problem with the word implication means resulting conclusions. This part.
Yes. Okay. Is it D, sir?
24, you answered D.
Yeah.
Why not to be C? Why? He asked about the drawbacks only. So find the disadvantages.
Yeah.
Look, the confessional system of Lebanon, while aimed at maintaining a multi-religious balance, is criticized for potentially stifling political progress. Look, I said you. Critics argue the system can stifle, so this is called drawbacks. This is advantages. Drawbacks means disadvantage.
Yes.
So your answer must contain this point because they argue.
Yeah.
So where is it here, Stefan? Later seen. Remember, crucial role means important role. So you find the advantage. We ask you about drawbacks. Drawbacks means downsides, means disadvantages, means demerits. Do you know demerit? Something opposite. You know demerit?
Yeah.
So that's it. Now let's try. Highlight the challenges only.
C.
So what about C?
Yeah, C.
So 25, it's correct. Right. Now focus, what does the question need exactly only? Good. Explain details about contributions. Mhm.
B.
No, I'm thinking with myself.
Oh,
But what is your answer? I'm just focused on the question. He said contributions. Now, when you read the points, do we have any contributions here? It's introduction only. But here developed contribution, discovered contribution, published researchers contribution. So your answer must contain these, or most of them.
yes, sir.
So that means the letter here. So this means the test maker will repeat the same details. But where is it? Very cool. That's why. Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, letter B. السلام عليكم.
A, sir.
You want to make it letter A.
Yes, sir.
And the letter A is no, my friend. Because it's a letter B.
Oh,
The problem, how these features contributed. Allowed for greater degree of maneuverability in the monsoon winds found. So allowed it means contributed.
yes, sir.
Remember? Yeah, remember what does the question need? Which point mentioned about it? Like this book allowed for. So your answer must be here. And impact is economic. So your answer must contain these.
Yes, sir.
We finished this module.
Mm.
Then why not to keep the rest for your assignment at home?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You can keep it as a gift.
Gift, sir. It's very nice gift. Thank you so much.
If you need another gift, I can send you more.